New acquisition from the train show. Atlas 50-foot. Ribside boxcar. It's Conrail. 1667.54. Opening doors. It's a nice little car. Set up this little scene here. Just threw something together. One of the engines, the building, and one of the cars I weathered. Put a load in. But enough of that. It's not a bad car. This is an older Atlas car. I will show you the box in a second. Applied. Everything is applied. The grab irons. You can see this walkway. It's not etched metal. It looks etched metal, but it's not. The grab irons in the front and the walkway railings. Really nice car. little bit of typical beaten down roof. I'm going to weather this car just because it's got McHenry couplers, I think, but I'll probably change them out. Metal wheels, I'll weather them as well. But it's a nice car. I like the doors. I'll put a load in it. And I gave $20 for this car. I've been wanting one. They have them in N scale as well. Same way. Yellow door. Patched out like a changed door. I don't know if this originally came. I'm going to look and see if I can find some photos on this and weather it that way. If I can't, I'll find something close. But I don't know if the doors were patched out or they came yellow or not. I don't know. But I like it. And it was a good deal for $20. Definitely. And that's what it is. If you want to pick one up yourself. It's definitely an older Atlas. Just messing around here. Be well. Like and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel because there's going to be more coming on the layout. Still doing some work. Got a lot of work to do, but I got my front fascia mounted. It's not permanent. It needs to be painted. So stay tuned. More to come with the Timber Creek on the Boxcar Jerry channel. Be well, be blessed. See you on the next one.